What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2002 Kawasaki Drifter, guys. This is the Indian Motorcycles super awesome edition. Guys, this bike is, I've never had one of these. It's so freaking cool. It says Indian Motorcycles. Now, I'm under the impression that Kawasaki was sued because of this. This bike's in great shape, guys. I mean, bags are a little beat up. I mean, what can you expect? It's an 02. It only has 10,000 miles on it. Bags are a little bit beat up. Not too bad, though. Like, really not at all, honestly. I'm kind of overhyping it. It kind of makes for that rugged feel. Scratching the paint right there. Look at that Indian logo. It, no joke, looks just like an Indian. This is an 800. This bike is so freaking cool looking. It's like everyone's gonna think you have an Indian with this bike. And this is a crazy rare bike, guys. Got the white walls. You are not gonna find many people in your life that have this bike. Tread on the tire is great. What? I love the look of this bike. This saddlebag's a little bit, it just needs a good leather conditioner. Actually, the leather quality of these bags is really, really good. It's a really nice thick leather. Solo seat. It does have a passenger seat in the bag here. So pop that on there. You can probably take that off and then it sticks right there. Top of the tank's in good shape. I love it how it has Indian Motorcycles over top of the Kawasaki logo. It's so funny. Let's fire this beast up. 10,448 miles on it. Fires up right away. Guys, this bike is so freaking cool. Like I said, 2002 Kawasaki Drifter, but this is the Indian like motorcycles edition. I don't know if that's what they call it, but it has the Indian logo plastered everywhere. It looks just like an Indian. It's got that big old front sweeping fender, which is in just phenomenal shape. As you can see, it is, I mean, this bike is in really, I mean, slight scuff. It's got the big Indian head on the front. I mean, this bike is in such good condition. I'm such a fan of this bike. They even got the windshield right with the shaping of the windshield. Guys, this bike's not gonna last long. People love this bike. But thanks a ton for watching, guys.